Welcome to Ishpeming, Michigan. Snowstorm, Spinal Fusion. Day, what is it? 2 or 3 of this crap? Yeah, this is what we're dealing with, folks. March 16th, 2026. Like I said, we're several days in the storm Spinal Fusion. Oh my goodness, there's my 80-some-year-old neighbor up on his rooftop there. I don't know, what is he, 78? No, 70 is Natalie?
I don't know.
78. I think I could see him in his video. It's hard to see the video here with all the snow flying around. He's 78 though. Keeping his roof clean up there, so if any of you have teenagers or anyone whining about being a little sore, got problems in life, it can't work, let him be an example of get off your ass and do something. Alright. We got dumped with like 3 to, well, obviously 4 feet of snow easy. Just in several days. And it's not supposed to stop for another, what, 12 hours? I think we got 12 more hours of this shit. There's that old man going though. Can you see him up there? Look on that rooftop across the alley. This is absolutely insane. Just two days ago we had nothing here. We could walk right through here. Now we got a wall. This right here is our path. This goes right to the front yard. We normally walk this. It's all got to be cleaned up. Then it's going to go right to the front. Yeah, that's the road over there. Absolutely insane. I think we're beating the record here. We got the most snow dumped on in several days. And the most snow total ever probably recorded. Natalie's loving it. Tell everyone how you're loving it, Natalie.
I love it.
She does love it. My girlfriend is stuck with the snow blowing. I unfortunately had back surgery 6 days ago. I cannot do anything, and I feel terrible about it because I really, I feel absolutely terrible about it. No, normally I would be out here and this would have been done several times with the blower over the evening, but I can't do anything. This is a slow process. I mean, I got a 78-year-old neighbor up there on his roof doing more than I could possibly do right now. But I had serious back surgery, so I'm done for about 4 to 6 weeks here before I can do anything. I thought I'd record this footage for you all anyway. Show you how shitty it truly is here. That's probably a 10-foot bank next door here. There's 2 lots there and they're totally full, 10 feet with snow. My fence here, you see the top of, that goes down the ground a foot, and then the fence itself is 6 feet, so you're looking at 7-foot height there. You can see where Natalie is compared to the fence there. That fence is 7 feet. It's gonna take a while. So, we'll record again in a few hours. Show you what else we got gathered up. See you soon.